So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a manager onto your GMB account. So first thing, you'd go to the nine dots here. You'd scroll down to your business profile manager, and that'll bring you up. You should only have one. This is because we're helping others, including ourselves. So you'd go see your profile. For the most part, your profile should just pop up without doing that. Then you'd go click the three dots up here, go business profile settings, managers, and of course, add. Always do manager. If you do owner, then the person can just take over the account. Manager, they can just make changes to it and optimize it. Then, of course, you'd put in the email address. So I just do, for me, Danny at joshanddannyseo.com, and I'd hit invite. That would send them an email, and they'll click on it, accept the invitation, and they'll be now an acting manager for that GMB.